of the things which I appreciate about being at SYZ Asset Management is the shared vision we have in terms of how best to deliver attractive performance to our clients. Our approach has been described as unusual, long-term and contrarian, all of which is fine for me and completely accurate. This is how we generate performance and find sources of returns that others do not, and also why our portfolios tend to have very little in common with our peers. And this is why, supported by strong research and team approach, we've been able to enjoy success over time.
We are not afraid to hunt for value where others do not, due to complexity or fear of the short-term outlook. It is often in periods of crisis where material valuation dislocations occur and where the strongest performance potential can be discovered.
The herd mentality is a strong driver of risk sentiment. It often treats whole sectors uniformly, regardless of the situations of individual companies. We find value in looking at the fundamentals of a company and spending time to understand why it may have been oversold.
One of the great things about managing money at SYZ Asset Management is we have the freedom to hunt for great ideas. We take long-term views and do not feel pressure to see instant results on the positions that we take. While all ideas are thoroughly vetted by the team, we understand that value, especially in contrarian positions, can take time to be realised and eventually harvested.
Presenting and defending an idea can be challenging. We take the time to build investment cases and ensure we are comfortable with a trade idea before presenting it to the team. We then build our own financial models, run scenario tests, and systematically run investment cases through our investment safety checklist.
While it would be great, realistically, we can't expect to be right 100% of the time. And there is a narrow line between being contrarian and being wrong. We focus on downside risk analysis before and while being invested. If the market moves against us, we need to understand why. Perhaps we are wrong, or perhaps this is just a great opportunity to invest more. Our hit ratio is around 60%. We have a robust approach to lock in gains, but also a rigorous process to cut when needed.
Many European equity investors are drawn to large cap companies because of tradition and visibility, and are often dissuaded from going down the market cap structure due to long-held misconceptions around risk, volatility and growth premiums. Our strategies aim to provide alpha, but without these associated misconceptions.
Whilst we're pleased with the results since joining SYZ Asset Management 3 years ago, we're eager to build on our success in the years ahead. Our process allows us to find interesting opportunities in any market environment, and our concentrated approach ensures that the impact of our selections make a real difference to portfolios. We have strong convictions and confidence in what we do. We thank our investors for putting their trust in us to manage their money, and we look forward to welcoming new investors in the days ahead.